In this section, we are going to talk about modules. This video is about rationale behind modules. So let's discuss the include directive. This directive simply copy-pastes the contents of one file to another file. It is a preprocessor directive, which means it is not part of the C++ standard and is not seen by the compiler. It is only seen by the preprocessor. It usually includes multiple files in a complicated inclusion tree. There is no support for avoiding inclusion of same header more than once, which means we have to add special include guards or pragma once directive. And there is no standard way to clearly mark library interface. So let's consider example 1 CPP. It has 3 lines of code really. It is very short. It compiles and runs. So let's see what happens if you run it through the preprocessor. As you can see, I created example 1 CPP preprocessed, and it has almost 1 kilobyte of code. Let's see what's inside. Well, it has a large part of the C++ standard library. It has over 40,000 lines of code. It has over 40,000 lines of code. And at the very end, it has our 3 lines of code. So you can imagine compiling this amount of code takes a while for the compiler. So let's summarize. Example 1 CPP has 3 includes, vector, IOStream, and algorithm, 10 lines of code, over 40,000 lines of code preprocessed, almost 1 kilobyte of file size preprocessed, and every compilation unit that includes a part of a standard library is similarly heavy. There is no standard way to avoid this. Every time one of these 3 includes or any other includes is included, it has to be compiled again for every compilation unit.